Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make homemade chickpeas powder or graham powder or basin bondi. Yung it's like pakora, but this is another way of cooking because pakora they can mix with potatoes or some vegetables. So only I use basin, this chickpeas powder or graham flour, and then this chili powder and salt, then water. Yesterday I told Fahad to buy in Raulacut City to buy this it's like pakora, but he said no available. So today I will make my own homemade. And this one, you can mix this one in Day Bali. So watch nyo na lang kung paano ako maggawa ng homemade. Because I have my organic yogurt. So this is one of the ingredients of this Day Bali. Ito na yung texture ng basin o kaya graham powder mixed with chili powder and salt and water. So ganito siya. Ganito siya kalapot. So ito na yung mantika, ipa-fry na natin ito. So tingnan niyo na lang kung paano ako fry. So ayan, ipa-fry na natin. Gamit natin ito. Buhos natin dito. And then, pull natin na ganyan. Yan. So these are all I made. Just only I think 4 to 5 tablespoons of basin or graham flour or chickpeas flour. So palamigin muna natin ito, then I will mix now this Day Bali. Yan. It depends upon your design or shape. Basta lang siya, ma-form lang siya na ganito. Yan. Ang tawag nila dito ay yung basin bondi o kaya pulki recipe for Day Bali. Ayan. Tikman natin kung it's okay ba yung salt niya at saka yung spicy niya. Kasi konti lang yung nilagay kong chili powder. Yan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So okay lang yung niya. Yung lasa niya, hindi masyado maalat, hindi maanghang. Kasi konti lang yung asin na nilagay ko, and then little chili powder. So ito na yung aking homemade. Kasi walang available sa Rawlagot. Pero nung pumunta ako noong after Eid doon sa neighbor namin, ito yung prepare niya nung after Eid, itong Day Bali. Kaya first time kong gumawa itong Day Bali, at saka first time ko din gumawa nitong homemade na na basin bondi recipe or pulki recipe for Day Bali. Parang siya, junk foods, chichirya ba? Masarap. Marami na ito kasi konti lang naman yung yogurt na organic yogurt na panggagamitan ko nito. Kaya tama lang itong ginawa ko. Kasi wala nang basin, kasi wala nang chickpeas powder. So ito na lang, tamang-tama ito. Sa more than half kilogram yata or less than half kilogram na organic yogurt from fresh buffalo milk to yogurt.